All right, next up, we got the black Schwinn. It actually is the 10-speed, unlike the Fuji, which I said was 10-speed, and is actually 12. Not a fan of this bike stand, but hey, it was free. So let's see, we got 10 speeds. Freewheel doesn't freewheel as nicely as it should. Pushing the chain forward. Steel rims. 27-inch wheels. Center pull brakes. One-piece cranks, not something you see on road bikes very much. Friction shifters. Now the shifter end, it's kind of a round barrel with a cable mounting to the side of the cable. Not a very popular style anymore. I got a very frayed end there. Frayed to non-existent end here. These are looking to be pretty standard cable ends for the brakes. Properly mounted quick release on the front. Get that off there so we can look for serial numbers. Nothing on the head tube. Nothing on the dropout. So this should be on the bottom bracket. Let's rotate this way so maybe I won't break a light. Not seeing a serial number on the bottom bracket. Did I miss it somewhere else? Oh, there it is. It's horizontally around the front of the head tube. Get a good picture of it so I can... Alright, based on the serial number and my internet sleuthing, this appears to be a 1980 Schwinn Continental. Apparently there used to be stickers on the forks here. And let's see what else does it used to say Continental across here. Yeah, it's like everywhere that this bike had markings aside from the two stripes have, I can guess it has, they've been cleaned off, rubbed off. I don't know. But cranks match up, derailleur matches up, everything on this bike matches up. Looking at the picture, kind of looks like foam grips. Schwinn padded saddle. I'm kind of impressed. This looks like it might be the original reflector on the back there. So maybe they'll just get broken as people ride these things. But let's measure this thing. How big of a frame is this? Okay, so let's see. So center to top. 22-inch frame, and if we go center to center, say it's a 21.5. This frame was offered in frame sizes 20, 22, 24, and 26. So I'm guessing that they're only measuring center to top because that comes out perfectly at 22. So next to the smallest frame. So luckily this is a bike that uses a standard tire size. So 27 by 1 1/4 tires will work. These are single wall steel rims. Weak. Spokes are loose on the front and the rear. So that'll need to be addressed. Get some new brake shoes. Tires and tubes, obviously, new seat, and we'll go with handlebar tape again.